If you want to set up an alarm clock on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to go to the app drawer and then we need to find the clock app. And once you go over here, make sure that you have granted the permission for the alarm to send you notifications. Over here, make sure that you have the alarm option selected, and you should be able to see some example alarms that you can use if you want to. Just tap on the switcher to activate or deactivate an alarm. If the alarm is repeatable, you can choose to turn it off just once for the next time it is supposed to go off, or you can just completely turn off the repeating alarm. You can also tap on the alarm in order to customize it. As you can see, we can choose the time when the alarm should go off. You can also go to additional settings to find some additional options that you might want to manage. Of course, you can create your own alarm as well by using the plus that we have here in the bottom right corner. And then you can see pretty much all the same settings that we had when we tried to edit one of these already existing alarms. If you press and hold your finger on an alarm, then you can select it, and of course you can select multiple alarms at once, and then you can delete those that you no longer need. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.